It was a bright, breezy morning on the farm. Max, the loyal farm dog, was out for his daily patrol, keeping everything safe. Suddenly, Max heard a frantic squawk. Polly the parrot was trapped, about to be caught by a With a powerful bark and a bold leap, Max chased the cat. But later that day, Max got trapped inside the barn. His barks were muffled. No one could hear him. That's when Polly had an idea. She mimicked Max's bark, loud. Thanks to Polly's clever voice, Max was free. 2 heroes, 1 brave bark, 1 brilliant echo.